Welcome to Lightning Proxies. In this video, we will show you how to set up Lightning Proxies using the Lightning Proxies Chrome extension. First, go to the Chrome Web Store and install the Lightning Proxies extension. After installing the extension, open it and click on Add Proxy. A new page will open where you can enter your proxy details. Next, log into your Lightning Proxies dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Generator, choose your preferred proxy plan, and click Generate. Inside the plan settings, customize your targeting options. You can select ISP or country targeting. Choose between sticky or rotating proxies, and adjust any additional settings as needed. Once you're done, click Save Settings, then copy the host, port, username, and password. Go back to the Chrome extension. Create a name for your proxy profile. Select your preferred protocol, and paste the host, port, username, and password. Then click Save or Update. Finally, activate the proxy from the extension. You will be redirected to a page showing your proxy IP address and connection details. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and enjoy using Lightning Proxies.